Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a multi-oscillating tool to cut a wooden plank. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, for this I'm going to use this corded oscillating tool and blade. Okay, it's very important that you get a blade, a proper blade to do any kind of job. There are blades available for every kind of work, whether you want to do it on a wood for sanding, or if you want to remove grouting. For everything there is a specialized blade, so it's good to go to a hardware store and get the blade that suits your project. But yeah, for like practicing and training yourself, you can use cheap blades that definitely help you with. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do this. So I'm going to use this blade. This I'm going to attach to this device using, of course, an Allen wrench that was provided along with the tool. Okay, so I'm going to do this. In order to do this job, proper safety gear is required. Like you should have gloves, and eye protection is very important because it's going to generate a lot of particle when the actual process goes on. So that's important. This is my garage, so that's why I don't have the wooden clamp. Otherwise you can put some clamps around here so that this stays stable, because stability is very important, because with a tool like multi-oscillating, when you cut wood, it's gonna vibrate. Okay, so in order to have clean cut or like exact cut, it should be stable, as much stable as possible. So that's why wooden clamp is very important. This is my garage, so I don't have it, and I'm just gonna show you how you can do it. So like when you do it in your actual place, you should have a clamp. Okay guys, so I'm ready. You should do slightly angular like this. This will make it better. You can see it is moving fast. So it took some time, but finally this cutting got over. You can see particles all around. So this is how it works, guys. But yes, when you do it actually in your workshop, make sure it is clamped with a wooden clamp so that it's safe. So that is how it works, guys. It's not the best finish, as you can see, but as I said, that proper clamping is important so that it can absorb the vibration. So I did not have that, but anyway, you got an idea. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.